I'm like a lab rat. A neat-free dad at home, a super busy mom. The boy's best friend is a talking dog. That's right. 3 extreme genes and an air-breathing shark. Mega action game controller skating in the park. A Pharaoh booster bling bling. What do we make of this? Johnny Test. Johnny Test. This is the life of a boy named Johnny Test. Johnny Test. Johnny Test. This is the life of a boy named Johnny Test.
Wiggleish Papatwick.
High-pitched howl on SnoobTube.
I don't get it.
Gichi-miigwech. Hal is a featured video with over 100,000 web hits.
Which got him a huge Hollywood Mazinate say deal.
I gotta get on SnoobTube and get a fat Hollywood contract.
Woo! Can we get a limo with a tiny fridge that's always full of a nugget?
We'll put it right next to the mobile all-you-can-eat Sunday bar. I need some buga chicken, please.
I have a hilarious voice. I can get on SnoobTube.
I don't like the sound of this.
And each scream is just normal me. Normal me with a crazy voice and...
No high-pitched Johnny. I'm Baby Zana go at Dendog Walk.
Jay and I'm on it to go another video on SnoobTube. Any coming up?
Congratulations, Johnny. We've been reviewing some old lab test footage and realized you are approaching your 1000th experiment in the lab.
Hey, Mr. Quay, I'm busy.
Hey, this is a milestone for Nina Winton. We want to hit 1000. So, are you ready to test something, Johnny Test?
Gaween. I'm gonna be a SnoobTube star. Now, fire up the old webcam, search for my image, and... I need to check it on.
Gawin Gichi-miigwech, Johnny. And Google the web are just normal kids who have something interesting to say. It's the connection to the people that counts.
How, sir? Buju, ni Johnny. Shigo miwe ni webcastem. Shigo ni roomim. Shigo miwa andai. And ooh, check it out. It's a pencil. An orange pencil. Okay, that's the end of my show. Awesome!
I'm not sure I would use the word awesome.
Now it's time to upload the video, and then it's Hollywood contract and Limousine City, baby! Oh, hey! What are you all watching? As if I didn't know it. Show!
Gaween, Ayuja Nakanda's shirtless boy. He really connects with us, you know?
Buju nin gilyo miowe ni webcast him. Jigo ni room im, jigo mi wandai, and my shirt is off.
But my video was way better than that, sorta. Where's my video?
I'll tell you where it is in test. On the featured page.
Which means you're not going to Hollywood like Kapapagianes Giwazins either.
Yo, dudes and dudettes, miigwech wati egg. Hollywood, indigenous og.
So, what's the SnoobTube plan this time?
What you doing?
I'm trying to get on SnoobTube. Wiggleish Gino my waist one.
Oh, here I'll show you.
Susan and Mary are on SnoobTube?
Here's more test girl tips on getting rid of giwas and suck you don't like. Pour super slippery Bimide on the floor. We find Mitigo Bimide works best. Stop pouring at a spin table complete with Buzzagway Guinea app and have Bimina nearby. Bakinan Ishkwan Dem.
Susan test. Gazagian whoa.
And once the unwanted Weetramush is tied up, release trapdoor. And last but not least, drop one rabid Misako Chish down said trapdoor. Good luck!
The Misako Chish was a nice touch.
I'm never getting on SnoobTube.
That's easy. just try some video effects and do a silly voice. Stay away.
Bonjour, Obdematezik. I am Alienes Mongistigwanes from the planet Georgia.
Thanks for your big team.
Alienes Magishtuguanes is super funny and famous.
And I came aware in Disqua Minigu of that Hollywood contract. See it in the movies. Ha
Johnny, test. It's time for your 1,000th test.
Do you want to test what's in beaker number basic, beaker number niche, or pick the secret box?
I need to be a Webanung! Okay, I'm a Giwazens with a talking on a mush. We can figure this out. Now, what do people want to see?
The environment is hot. How about a green how-to video? You know, saving the world and stuff.
But go, Che, but much too young, Gadaki Nan. And one of the ways we can is by recycling. So let Johnny show you how to make nice wabagone aki cook out of simple household items, like milk cartons and, this is horrible! Shut it off! Shut off the video!
I thought you were doing great.
Hey, I love helping Gadaki Nan as much as the next guy, but what else do people love watching?
Big, dangerous, extreme stunts that almost mean certain death, but there is no way I'm letting you do. Johnny, how did you build the ramp so fast?
Not important. First, I jump the Wakai gun, you get it all on video, I get on SnoobTube, and it's off to Hollywood, baby! Woohoo!
You forgot to go over the Wakai gun.
Doesn't matter, because the web loves violent crashes more than extreme stunts.
Get that way, but I forgot to hit record.
What?
People love watching animal attacks.
Okay, press record. I'll pull the rope, release the Masakwachish, he attacks me, and I'll be a SnoobTube featured video.
Gichi-miigwech per se, and I can't condone this, but action.
Johnny, Ginjiki waving again.
The Sakuchishi Baba rocks!
Going Goyaka. Going Goyak!
Shishonji Minigut the fat Hollywood contract on account of his injuries.
Miigwech for watching. Habanujiduk.
My dreams of becoming a Webanung are no longer. Guess I'll just be boring old Johnny Test that nobody knows about.
Nobody?
Johnny Test, you are about to hit the 1,000 test mark, which means you are an awesome Shime in our eyes.
Most of the time.
I just wanted to get on SnoobTube.
And you can with our latest invention that you can test. So we can hit the 1,000 test mark.
Here's a hint. Pick the surprise box. It's the self-strumming rock and roll busboy B-gay bitchigan 9000.
Test it. Go to Tunje Mac. We want to see the numbers change.
How?
We did it.
Oh yeah. We're geniuses. Oh yeah.
Me yeah. Me yeah.
Yeah.
But how is this gonna make me a SnoobTube enough?
Yeah. Be it the web, TV, or movies, people will always love funny, violent montages and rock and roll.
Now, we'll do the editing.
Dookie, you record rock and roll guitar jamming Johnny. And let's make a SnoobTube featured video.
I think I see where this is going, so hit it!
Gichi-miigwech. I don't think I hate you anymore.
And Baswa Bige Bichige Johnny is the featured video. Tess, Gigigashkatoon.
And that means here comes my limo and that fat Hollywood contract. Oh, there's my limo.
Shkay, there's a new featured video.
No more SnoobTube fat Hollywood deals. What?
Miigwech, the days of the SnoobTube star may be over due to the box office disaster of the high-pitched Halga Baba Gianniseke Wizens and Alienist Mangishtek movie.
Hey, nuaistagos moving!
But take me to your Gichi Ogama, for I am Alienes Mangish Tigwanes.
Zigo Nin, Disco Bigabadoon my shirt.
This movie is pretty horrible, but you were in a Nangan SnoobTube, Johnny.
And now, with this Baswabi Gavichigan, maybe I'll be an Athenianang.
Yeah, but say that for a later episode, Mina.
Ha, mayet, Mishis.